combo, my look different. I don't trust shit moving, boy, I move different. These niggas starving in line at the soup kitchen.
My dog just pulled up in the lamb chop. I'm about to scare his ass. Where you at? That shit not hard to see that. Just he in a blue lamb chop. I just pull up on the wrong car? Did you like it like that? Yeah. I just bought this shit like last week. Yeah, nigga, I got it smooth. I'm out to park. You about to valet?
Nah, I just park that big here. They ain't gonna say nothing.
I bet. Happen again, we can start. Throw that bitch on. I don't know if I'm fucking with this jacket though, gang. This jacket. Yeah.
I got the shoes and shit. So once I get done with it, I'm gonna refill these real quick. And we can get the shoes going. Or shit, take some flicks for the gram.
But I know they got a parking garage around here that you can see like that plane taking off from.
Hell yeah. I don't know which one though. For the damn
Oh, this is where I met Rod Wave right here. Met Rod Wave ass right here just did me dirty.
What you mean?
Nigga, he did me dirty. He wasn't trying to fuck with the promo.
For real?
Yeah, he did me green, but he basically, bro, like, he looked like bummy, fam. Like, he had like a big ass Kool-Aid stain on his shirt. I mean, I respect it. Like, he wasn't trying to take a picture looking like that. He had a Nike Tech on.
Yeah.
It was like the day before his concert, bro. That nigga was like this. I could get some promo with Jill, like you see what I got on, like. I was like, damn, bro.
He kept it real though.
Yeah, he kept it real, like.
Yeah.
He did me green.
Never had you catch him on the right day though.
No, but he could have covered the stain up with my hoodie though. He was being green though.
What brings us in today?
Can I refill this?
Yeah, for sure. Dessert? Okay. These are the double check. Some people put it in a different cake.
Nigga, I ain't really like find out like about Shake Shacks and stuff. Nigga, I ain't never had Shake Shack. I ain't never had a chicken sandwich.
What you finna get, man? Chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
Or not?
No, I'm finna go with a chicken sandwich. I ain't gonna lie, that Shake Shack was good as hell. Nigga, I woke up on some whole other shit today, and I'm like, bro, I might as well educate y'all people on like what's really going on. I nigga just pumped my gas up, so I'm about to go run to the house store. I gotta go get something for the new crib and shit like that. I'm moving in very soon, by the end of this month, so I do want to make sure a nigga got at least some type of furniture in the house. But I wanted to talk to y'all, bro, about y'all clothing brands, bro. Like, y'all know I'm the guy who got all the game for clothing brands, and I'm not scared to shit to show it, you feel me? I done made multiple six figures with clothing brands, with e-commerce, Shopify in general. And the main thing that I see is the main problem with y'all and why you guys are not able to sell to anybody, why you're sitting on your drops, making 100 TikToks a day trying to find somebody to sell your product to. Nobody wants to buy it. You know, if you suffering from shit like that, you got one big problem, and it's probably the biggest problem, bro, that if you don't fix that shit, your brand is gonna die. I promise you, your brand is gonna die. Let me go. I'm fried. Let me focus on the road real quick. But 80% of product launches, businesses fail for one reason, and that's market research. Not doing enough market research, not understanding your market. And if you do not understand your target market, you do not understand who to sell to. And if you do not understand who to sell to, you don't have anybody to sell to. And if you don't have anybody to sell to, you're having the problem that you're having now, which is not having no money to continue running your clothing brand. And this is just a hobby. This is not anywhere close to being the full-time gig that you want it to be, because you do not understand who you're selling to. You started a clothing brand for what? You feel me? Because you don't understand who you're selling to. What do they do on a day-to-day basis? What are they eating? What are they watching? What are they consuming? The more you understand your customer, the more you'll be able to communicate with them. If you do not understand their language, if you do not understand how to communicate with your customer isn't going to engage with your content. And your customer damn sure isn't going to spend their hard-earned money on your product. I just walked in here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I do like giving y'all a game. But I'm like, day in the life type of shit. But people really do be looking at me crazy. They got some nice couches in here. I don't know which couch I'm gonna get for the new spot, but I'm really in here looking for a coffee table. So I want some, like, bruh, I ain't gonna lie, for the crib, I'm really creative, so I need like some extra creative shit. But I ain't gonna lie, this store did not have shit for me, bruh. I'm still at square one with this coffee table. But I had a student in my program ask me, yo, so I spent 3 months preparing for my drop. I got my samples made, I got my bulk, and I planned and did marketing for my drop for a whole month straight. I posted 2 TikToks a day for a month, posted reels, and when I dropped, I did $0 in sales. So this student just joined my program about a week ago. The first thing I asked him was, who are you selling to? He was like, well, I'm selling to, niggas that put that shit on, cool people. I'm like, bro, you selling the niggas that put that shit on? How broad is that, bro? You don't have a market you're selling to. You're selling to nobody. You're selling to nobody because you might have told me that you're selling to cool people, niggas that put that shit on. But niggas that put that shit on, it's a lot of different type of people. Which exact market are you selling to? You don't even understand which market you're selling to. You're never going to understand what type of content to make. Never the type of clothes to make. So we had to go back to the drawing board from scratch, make sure we found him an actual target audience to target, to understand what they like to do, who they are as people. So we are pretty much able to figure out who his target audience was, and it's more of that opium, Playboy Cardi type of listening, rave type of person. You know what I'm saying? They like Playboy Cardi. They listen to his music often. They like wearing dark clothes. They like looking like that vampire type of aesthetic. You feel me? Wax, denim. You feel me? Dark Rick Owens type of style. You feel me? That's who we can describe that person. We can describe the type of music they listen to. Describe the type of places they might go. They might go to a concert, a rave. You feel me? We can describe that. Now we know what type of content that will resonate. What type of content interests these people. Like, these people might not just be interested in clothes. That's what you guys think. Oh, I just want somebody to put that shit on. But these people are not just interested in clothes. They're also interested in a shit ton of more things. Might be music, might be whatever. If you do not understand this type of your customer, if you don't understand your customer, you'll never be able to make content that resonates with them. If you don't have no engagement, that means you just don't know how to make your customer engage. You don't understand your customer enough. So if I say this to everybody, if your drop did not do good, if your content did not do good, if the story post you did not do good, if the pop-up shop you did not do good, if anything to do with your business did not do good, you need to go back to the drawing board and you need to look at your target customer. You need to look at your consumer. I keep saying target customer, and target customer is always, said, but it's really the consumer. You need to go back and look at the consumer. Who is consuming what you're trying to sell? Who are you trying to get to consume what you're selling? Because until you understand that, until you start making content for that person, nobody is gonna buy your brand. Nobody. Now you might get sales here and there, for somebody that's trying to put an outfit together, but for somebody that's trying to join the community, or somebody that's trying to join something bigger than just fucking a piece of fabric, because at the end of the day, Fabric is just fabric. It's the brand, it's the meaning, it's the what it represents, and who is wearing it that will allow you to grow a profitable business and be able to eventually exit your brand, because you have a customer base. You can sell this customer base, you can sell this brand, you can sell, and you building an asset than just doing a hobby. A lot of y'all are just doing a hobby. Making clothes is a hobby. Y'all say it's a brand, y'all say it's a business, but it's just a hobby because you aren't taking it serious, bro. You aren't taking it serious. You don't even understand who your customer is. So how are you going to be able to sell to them? It's a lot of things that you guys aren't thinking about, which is why your business is failing. If you guys feel like you need help, and if you guys sat through this whole video and realize that, hey, I don't have no target customer, then you need help, bro. So I do make these videos for free to help you guys. These videos are for everybody. But for my subscribers, I release all of my courses, all of my resources, everything that I know about the clothing brand, resources on my channel once a month for an hour. You will not see that if you are not subscribed to the channel. So subscribe to the channel if you guys want those resources. Those are the resources that I've collected in 4 years of being a business owner, entrepreneur. This is life-changing game. So I want to provide the value. That's what I'm here for. I want to help you guys. That's really what I want to do. I want to educate the world so we can do things the right way, so us as young people can change our lives. That's what I'm making these videos for, and that's what I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about clothes. I'm passionate about fashion. I'm passionate about teaching. So that's why I make these videos, to help you guys. So if you guys want the resources that I have put together, subscribe to the channel. I drop them every month on a random day in my community tab. So check my community tab whenever you stop by the channel and learn something from these videos. Check my community tab. It might just be up there. I also will be announcing 24 hours before I drop if you guys need help one-on-one. Now these videos are more than enough to help you, but if you need direction and you need somebody to be able to be in your corner and guide you in the right places, introduce you to the right people, and help you get to those 10K months within 90 days, links in the description. If you guys do qualify for that, I will be helping you guys. But like I said, subscribe to the channel if you guys need those resources. I'll catch y'all in the next one. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. We had a lot of shit going on yesterday. It's a shame the camera died, bro. Yesterday was crazy. We had the lambs out. We had got the content done crazy, new samples. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna continue dropping these videos for you guys every day, and tune in. I got the game, bro. I'm learning new shit every day, and I'm here to share it with y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all on the next one. We out.